Weaving has lots of fun terminology, like dents. What does that mean anyway? I sell this loom in my shop, and it comes in 3 different dents, so it's perfect to show you what it means. Dents are the spaces or notches on the loom. The dents are where you place the yarn when you're putting the string on the loom. So, instead of saying spaces or notches, weavers say dents. 5 dent is for weaving thicker yarn. Since the spaces are farther apart, they allow a thick weft yarn to bead into place. 5 dent is good for kids to weave on. 6 dent is for weaving with a little finer of yarns. And 8 dent is for even finer yarns. There is way more to learn about dent sizes. It can get complicated when you add all the elements for a weaving. The warp yarn you'll use, the weft yarn you'll use, and what you'll be using the weaving for. We'll just keep it simple. Dents mean how many warp spaces are within each inch. And now you know. Happy weaving!